Welcome to Cooking with Cindy, the Thanksgiving edition. Today I'm making fresh whipped cream specifically for our pumpkin pie. However, you can use whipped cream in almost about any kind of dessert, right? uh, Pies, fresh berries, whatever you like. It is the easiest thing to make. You just need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. The secret, though, is to make sure your mixing bowl is super cold. So I will put my mixing bowl in the freezer for at least 30 minutes, if not an hour, a couple hours all day, whatever it is. And also make sure that you put your whisk in the freezer as well, just so that it will create a nice fluffy whipped cream. Okay, the thing about whipped cream, making it fresh, is that one can easily overbeat the heavy whipping cream and it can curdle, so you don't want to do that. I've done it before, and at that point, I just toss it. I mean, there is a way to recover, but why? You can just do it again. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 cup. Oops. Okay. Then we're gonna beat it first. We're gonna do it on medium to medium high for like a minute. I'm gonna beat this until it thickens. See how it thickens like that? So that's done, right? So that's done. Then you want to put 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And this is when it's so easy to curdle it. So like whipping the heavy whipping cream, for it to be a thick consistency, even though the recipe says a minute, you just gotta eye it, right? I think that took less than a minute. See how it's starting to get fluffy? Now I'm gonna stop here because beyond that, it's gonna get too lumpy. Look at that. That's what you want. Let's transfer it to a dish so that you can see how fluffy this is. I mean, you can't get more fluffy than that, can you? That's perfect.